You see, go, ah. Good boy, Kona. Good boy, Coney Bear.
Wait,
let's go.
Fluffy, okay.
I definitely didn't account for traffic last night when I looked this up in my GPS. Now it's double the time and we're stuck in traffic, so we're gonna be late, guys. We just got done at the dentist. The kids did a great job, huh? How was it, guys? You want to tell them?
Good, and we also got some toothbrushes.
Neither of the kids ended up having cavities, which is amazing. That's great news. That's what we wanted. The light's green. Let me put my camera down. Honey, strawberry jelly, and ketchup.
Of course.
And that's it.
All right, so your toast give me 9.18 at the window.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Kane likes these little chicken minis and he eats them with strawberry jelly. That's how he likes it. Don't make that noise. This is your favorite. You're silly. Here, Kane. Here, buddy. The reason why we're eating in the car is because we have to get Lena off to school. She's actually late, but I figured I would stop and get us breakfast. She ate cereal this morning, but I don't feel like that's a filling breakfast. Lily just eats tater tots from here, or sorry, hash browns. And then I get a chicken biscuit sandwich and I eat it with honey. Or strawberry jelly, depending on my mood. Baby, we gotta get you to school after this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm trusting my 3-year-old with jelly back there. How dangerous. Living life on the edge.
Trying a new tactic here. I'm gonna put the pill that he doesn't like on top of the cream that he has to eat also, that he does like though. So I'm combining don'ts with do's. Okay. Do's and don'ts for the win. Look at that, gone. I'm a genius. Okay, it's coming back, buddy. And I'm not moving nowhere. You're not gonna. Okay, we're good. We're Gucci. You got your medis for the day. I'm a cowboy, baby. AKA Django Jr., AKA Save a Horse Ride Josh.
What? Get out of here.
AKA She thinks my kayak's sexy. We out here.
Wow. My nails are driving me crazy. Once one of them chips, I just need to pick them all off because I get the S&S dip. I know that I could probably go to the salon and have them soak it off, but I really don't like my hands sitting in acetone. I really don't like that feeling, so I like to pick them off before I go get them done again, which probably isn't great for my nails, but whatever, here we are. So for my online class, my teacher is using this program called Proctorio or something like that. I think it's called Proctorio. Anyway, it monitors you while you take your test online. Like your eye movement, if you're talking to anybody, like there's a mic and a camera on you while you're taking a test. I mean, most of my tests online, you know, the teachers don't care. So when I see that, I'm like,
oh, you that one teacher.
Yeah.
You special one.
Yeah. So anyway, usually I don't really stress out about tests because I can look at my notes, but this teacher is using that, you know? So that's why I'm like, I need to study, you know? Because usually if I don't need to study ahead of time.
After I eat my breakfast, I will be taking Kane to Adventure Island. Adventure Island's a water park. I've been going to this water park probably since I moved to Florida when I was 7. So I love it. And it's a legit water park. It's not even some, like, you know, small hometown one. I mean, people travel probably to Tampa. It's not as big as the one in Orlando, but it's definitely, you know, pretty worth the trip. And if you're a resident, I mean, and especially someone who can go during weekdays when it's not super busy, Adventure Island's a great time.
So I was in the fish tank right now, and I've noticed that Cheetah hasn't moved in a couple days, and it looks like he's dead because he's really dry on the bottom. So I'm assuming he's dead. He didn't even get the chance to be a snail parent. Joshy?
He is in his heart.
How sad. Josh, do you know how to tell if they're dead?
No.
Alright, well let me Google it.
I win!
Wait, maybe he's alive.
We're doing it together. We're doing it together. I win. You win. We all win.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, wait, I think he's alive.
Then leave him alone!
I don't know what's happening. Are they supposed to stay in water?
Leave him alone! You murderer!
Let's see this one. So this one looks, oh, okay. Maybe he is alive. I really don't know. So there's Gary. Gary's definitely alive. And that's Cheetah. I don't know. We'll see what Cheetah does. This one's like, hey baby, you up? You awake? Oh, oh, he's alive! Josh, he's alive! No, he's alive, I'm so serious. Josh does not care about this tank at all.
I told you he was going that nice.
Yeah, you did tell me, you were right.
Yeah,
Maybe he was just resting.
yeah. I told him on it.
And climbing on top.
Yeah.
This is Josh and this is me. And I'm like, can you please go away? And Josh like, come here, baby.
Let me see what that whisker do.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, buddy. Have fun.
Bye, Mom. Buckhorn cones.
I told Josh I had a test coming up and had a lot of studying to do. So he suggested that he would spend the day with Kane at the water park. And I thought that was really perfect because I had asked him if I could go to the library and if he was free to watch Kane, because sometimes he's busy with clients because he does real estate. So today happened to be a day where he didn't have anything scheduled, so it kind of worked out. But it was nice. I was just going to study, but I ended up just taking the test to knock it out. My test isn't due till tomorrow. But yeah, I can't tell you the score because I don't even know what I got yet. I think I did okay. I don't think I did great, but it's like that sometimes. I've learned not to stress about school. Josh has helped me relax about that a little bit. I used to really stress out about my grades and it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Do I care? Yes, but I don't care enough to stress myself out over it. So I think I at least got at the very least a C, but I'm hoping a B. I mean, I'm hoping for an A, but I just don't think I studied enough for that. Let me clean my sink out. Another thing I've been learning about myself lately is that I feel so much better, like my anxiety feels so much better, little to none, when I have a clean house. And obviously having 2 young ones, it's really hard to keep the house clean and picked up and organized. So their mess stays in their room. We don't tell them to do that. It just kind of works out that way because Kona's a puppy and he'll chew their stuff up, so they keep our living room clean now. So if you want to keep your living room clean, get a puppy. If you have kids. So that seemed to help. And then I just pick up the counters and just keep everything clean. And I've been doing that for the past couple weeks and I just feel so much better. It's amazing. Like my mood just feels, you know what I mean? I don't know. Does anyone else feel this way when they clean? It just feels so good. I told Josh, I'm like, look, if you don't want me to be a raging bleep, please just help me keep the counters clean. That's like I just need this area clean. His favorite thing to do is to open stuff and just leave them all over the counter. Like boxes from Amazon, trash mail, like envelopes, you name it. Okay, so now that I have the house picked up. Kane and Josh are at the water park still. My test was a lot faster than I thought. I started studying this morning, so. I still have a couple hours till I have to pick Lena up. So I'm thinking I'm going to do an at-home workout on TV, which I don't really like to do, but yeah, I don't want to go to the gym. I don't really like to do at-home workouts, but I'll do it as last resort. Kona may have to go in the kennel because every time I start punching and kicking for a workout, he tries to attack me. 30-minute cardio Latin dance workout. Should I do that? I'm looking at Pop Sugar Fitness, which, by the way, Pop Sugar followed me on TikTok when I had like 50K, and I thought that was so exciting. I was so happy. I don't want anything I have to get on the floor for. 30, let's see. 30-minute no equipment cardio and core workout. Do I have to get on the floor? I have a problem with getting on the floor. Like, okay, let me tell you why. People are gonna, okay, I'm sort of a germaphobe when it comes to Kona laying on the rug. Like, he's not allowed on the couch, and I know people are gonna judge me, but he's not allowed on the couch. If you guys want me to go in detail, I can explain it in a different video, but the fact that he lays down on this rug makes me not want to lay down on it. That sounds so bad. People are judging me right now. I just feel like it's the same concept with like wearing your shoes inside. I feel like it's like as if I like wore my shoes and like walked on the couch. That's how I feel like it is for a dog. I don't know. Maybe it's in my head. I'm a germaphobe, so. Anyway. Okay, 40-minute full body boxing and kickboxing workout. That's what I want. Oh, wait, we need sound. Oh wow, they're really just jumping into it.
Show me that guard. Ready to get into a box and weave in 3, 2,
wait, I'm not ready.
Under.
Wait a minute. I am not ready. I need to start it on my Apple Watch, otherwise it doesn't count. Kickboxing, okay. All right, now I'm ready. Jeez, lady, chill.
The front side of your quads. Pump those arms light on your feet. Now, at home you're gonna go southpaw.
Josh and Kane went to the water park and apparently they're closed. So they're home now.
We bye.
Kane, are we gonna let him play video games all day?
No, he's supposed to be at the water park. He's sad about that. I feel bad for him, yes.
Alrighty, I'm about to put some salmon in the oven, so I figured I'd show you guys how I do it. I've done this before on my channel. Why are you laughing?
How to put salmon in the oven.
Well, it tastes good this way, the way that I make it. At least I think it does. Okay, so I buy the Atlantic salmon. This is the first time I've seen it on a cedar plank, but I just get this from Walmart. And then I take the sheet, the cooking sheet, and I put parchment paper on it. You could use foil, but parchment paper is better for you than foil, but whatever you choose. Then you just pat the salmon dry. Drizzle just, whoop, that's a lot. A little bit of olive oil on top. Add your salt and pepper. Do not preheat the oven. So you're gonna turn your oven on bake on 400. You put your salmon into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I always set it for 15 and then I'll check it. Are my armpits hairy? No. I'll check it at the 15-minute mark and see what it looks like. I don't want it to be too dry, so I don't want to overcook it. So I always check it at 15 minutes, but depending on how thick it is, sometimes you have to go to 20 minutes. So yeah, that's how you get perfect salmon every single time. You could always add lemon at the end if you want to, but try it out just with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Just to give you guys an idea of how soft it is, it just breaks apart so easily. This is a pretty standard meal in our house. We do this a lot, actually. About weekly.
Yeah, pretty weekly. It's pretty good. As it always is.
While Josh and Kane hung out at home, I went and got my nails done. And now I'm about to take Alina to gymnastics. Josh, are you going to class?
I mean, I don't know. I want to watch football and I want to go to class.
We should watch football. Come here, baby.
Maybe I'll just go to Muay Thai and then come back home.
I'm just gonna stop barking, Kona. Josh goes to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Muay Thai. If you guys don't know this already. My stepdad bought me these. They're Kona Coffee Dark Chocolate Macadamias. They're super good.
I'm gonna go to Muay Thai today.
Okay. I like them a lot. Ooh, beautiful. Lily's all ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
Turn around. Let's see. Ooh, so cute. Do you want me to fix your hair?
Yeah, how about in a ponytail?
You want it in a ponytail? Okay.
I'm waiting for Alina to stop yelling.
Lily, Mommy and Daddy are gonna talk, baby.
Yeah, gonna watch football tonight.
Who's playing? You don't even know, you just wanna watch
Thinking. It is...
it. A football team.
It's the Bengals. It's Bengals versus the Browns. That's who's playing tonight.
If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, please. And if you're new, welcome to our channel.
Like the
We're
video.
happy to have you here.
Drop a comment. Tell us your favorite part, or maybe something we said earlier to comments about it. And Alina saying bye.
Bye.
She's growing up.
She is. Does she look like me? Do you guys think Alina looks like Josh or myself? Let us know in the comments.
All right, say bye.
Bye.